Is he holding up his hands?
No.
They don't hold up their hands. Oh.
How long am I recording for?
What the hell are you on? How slow he eats? No.
Make him a cute daddy.
How cute.
Don't get me.
Oh, you're not in it.
No, don't walk away from it. Maybe he wants more food. Give me the bowl. Is he eating it?
Yeah, he ate a bit.
We already recorded him.
Oh, I was gonna sit down there again.
No, come back. Orange.